In this video, I will show you step by step how you can save Canva presentation with animation just in few seconds. This will be a quick tutorial, easy and friendly for beginners. Let's get started. So I just saved this Canva presentation with animation, as you can see. And it's super easy. So what you need to do, just go to your Canva design, to your Canva presentation design homepage like this. Okay, this is my Canva presentation with animation, and I want to save this presentation with animation. Okay, so what you need to do, click over here on share, scroll down, click on download. Okay, and as you can see, PDF does not support audio, video, or animation. Consider downloading an MP4 video. Okay, so what you will do, you will click over here on File tab, click on PDF, and change it to video. Okay, to MP4 video like this, and click over here on download, and this Canva presentation with animation will be download to your laptop, and you will keep your animation. It will be kept with your animation. Okay, it's super easy and simple. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.